Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Amateur. I'm James and welcome to a whole new year of brand new videos. Today we're going to be installing a Soul Performance exhaust in a beautiful Cayman 718 GTS. Let's go check it out. Okay, so today is a pretty big deal. If you follow my channel, you know that the vast majority of my content is all sort of focused around 911s because that's my favorite car and that's what I drive. Occasionally, the odd Cayenne video makes its way into the mix when I've got nothing better to do, and that's the car that I daily drive. But today is the first time I'm featuring a non-911 truly on this channel, and it is a gorgeous 718 Cayman GTS that belongs to a friend of mine. And not only is that super exciting, you know I like a good exhaust video, and so we're installing the Soul Performance Sport Package, center muffler, the valved exhaust center muffler, custom X pipe, and the cross pipes. I can actually fit in this Cayman. Yeah, I know. 6'7", 300 pounds plus, I can fit in a Cayman. Now, before I attempted to back this into my garage and take it out to film the footage, I really wasn't confident that I was going to be able to fit. Having tried to fit into, I think it was a 981 Cayman a few years ago, absolute comedy show. But for whatever reason, and Porsche are making their cars bigger, I can fit in this car and it's really comfortable and it's also a manual. The clutch isn't an issue. In fact, for anybody interested, big and tall guys out there, the cabin experience in the 718 is virtually identical to my 911 in terms of the space you have, the way the seat is set up, everything about the sort of the dash and the knee room, it's virtually identical. And that didn't used to be the case with the Cayman and the Boxster. So super cool. But let's get straight into it. We're gonna do a review of this Soul Performance exhaust. You're gonna take away about 11 pounds of weight. You're gonna really dial up the sound. It's gonna sound fantastic once we're done. And then we're gonna go through a walkthrough of the job, and then we're gonna do the install, and then we're gonna do a sound test, full factory against Soul. It's gonna be fireworks, it's gonna be awesome. Let's go. All right, let's take a quick look at the job. Starting backwards, we're gonna be taking off the tailpipes, and then we've got the center mufflers here with the valves. We're just gonna pull off the valve lines. We've got typical kind of bolts and nuts, fasteners to remove. And then I'm going to show you on this side actually where the light is. We got some heat shielding to remove, bane of my existence on my 911. And then here are the cross axle pipes, which are going to terminate here by the cats, and it's really hot right now, so we're gonna let it cool down a little bit. But essentially, it's a bolt-on job, and let's go and take a look at the hardware over here. Look at this. No idea what they're for, but we're gonna figure it out. Probably resonance tubes. Here are the two pipes that go over the axle, cross axle, and then here is the symphony at the back. Absolutely gorgeous. And Soul Performance being Soul Performance, you got a whole load of goodies, brand new hardware and more. This is one of my favorite parts of the job. Everything's off and we can see inside the car. So over there is where the pipes went over to the cats, and 3 bolts there, 13 millimeters. And then we took the bolts off between the pipes and the muffler. They were 12 millimeter, I think. And then the muffler itself had a bunch of E-Torx, reverse E-Torx screws that were keeping it on here to the, I guess, transmission? Engine? Don't know what that is. We'll figure it out. We got the vacuum lines that have come off. So I'll give you extenders for the vacuum lines in case you need, additional run. But yeah, here it is in all its glory. And then here you can see all the old parts. There's heat shielding on the pipes here, which may or may not need to get transferred over here to the pipes. These pipes don't actually have any brackets for heat shielding, so I'm assuming we're not using any of that. We've got all the hardware here. We've got the resonance tubes that are going to go into the back of the piping over here. And then there's the Soul Symphony. Now we just need to get it on. Well, that's it for another video, guys. Thanks for coming. Thanks for checking me out. There's a lot more in the pipeline during the next few winter months. I've got some interior mods I'm going to be doing to my 911. I'm thinking about getting the steering wheel redone, deviated stitching for anybody that cares. Maybe a little bit of carbon fiber, maybe yellow seat belts, I don't know. But I've got some maintenance jobs. I'm going to try and do a live oil change, which is putting on the pressure a little bit. Join me live. We're going to be doing live Q&A as I work on the oil change. I'm going to be doing a brake fluid flush. I'm going to be doing the rotors and another opportunity to take a look at the pads. On my Cayenne, for anybody interested in Cayennes, I've got to check out the suspension. There's maybe some maintenance I need to do there. Brake fluid flush on that and some other good stuff. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon. Bye.